Thanks for tuning in for another Essential RC flight test, and today we are reviewing the ZOHD Dart XL Extreme from our friends at banggood.com. Now, we've flight tested a couple of other ZOHD RC airplanes in the past, the original ZOHD Dart and the ZOHD Nano Talon, both very good RC planes, have to say. I suspect this won't be any different. Interesting to know why they call it the XL Extreme, but it looks like it has a lot of the same features. It's made for FPV, so we can retrofit our FPV camera and gear if we want to. The Nano Talon and the original Dart were very stable, I have to say. They're very easy to fly and very easy to assemble. No glue required. This is 1,000 millimeters wingspan. It comes with everything that you need to fly, including the motor speed controller, the servos and the prop. The recommended battery is a 4S3300 and a flying speed of 25 to 100 kilometers per hour, so it's going to be pretty quick. Okay, so let's take the components out of the box. Let's see what we get. So these are all the components out of the box. So looking at the fuselage first, you can see at the front it's been designed for FPV, so your camera, whether it be an FPV camera or a small run cam or even a GoPro session, could fit in there. The hatch comes off, so you can see you've got masses of space on that ply tray with the Velcro strap to put in your 4S battery. And then the rear hatch is where your receiver will go, so you've got these two that screw out. So you can see you've got the speed controller and motor already in place, ready for the prop to attach, and then all of our servo leads to connect into the receiver. Should be fairly straightforward. And we've got the wings. On top we've got the roots to put in the vertical stabilizers, like that. You can see we've got the servo already placed and already hooked up to the aileron, which is good. Nice plastic, hard plastic fitting underneath for those rough landings we might have, and a nice quick connection into the side of the fuselage. Looks good. And of course we've got the prop and a few other little bits and pieces. So shouldn't take too long, won't take any time at all to put this together. And then we'll charge up a 4S3300 battery and get down the flying field and fly this for the first time. Okay, so we're down the flying field with the ZOHD.
Cut!
Blub, blub, blub. It was a heavy night last night. Okay. Okay, so we're down the flying field with the ZOHD Dart XL Extreme. Much larger than the original ZOHD models that we've reviewed in the past, but what is the same is that it is super quick to assemble. I did this morning. It took me 10 to 15 minutes to put it together. And all, you know, the only bits you have to glue in are these are just I think just details. I don't think they're turbulators as such. We speculated about that earlier, but the other big difference is that it runs on 4 cells, so it's going to be quite a bit quicker, but it is a bigger model. So it is obviously designed for FPV. You've got this rather nice plastic nose where you can fit anything from your regular small micro FPV cameras all the way up to something like a GoPro session. Has to be said, if you don't have a camera up front, you do have to put the battery as far forward as possible to get the CG. The CG marks are underneath on the leading edge. There's one there, so you have to make absolutely sure that it balances on those. The vertical stabilizers, you push them in and then you have to lock underneath. Now I nearly forgot to lock them. That could have been a disaster on the maiden flight. Otherwise, it's as simple as that. So, Tom, could you please hand throw into the wind? Let's see how this goes.
It's got plenty of power. Plenty of power, and that was half throttle.
Get my orders. Stand here, do that, zoom in here. Going in then. I thought you were going in.
So did I.
What's it like slow speed? Does it it's nice and stable? Presumably it won't tip stall with a swept forward wing.
Swept wing.
That's nice and slow, isn't it? So this year, Dom, I think you want to invest in a slightly lighter camera because
A lighter 8K camera.
my right arm.
You need to develop muscles in your right arm.
You just need to give me some decent
Look,
equipment.
this is stall. Try stall. This is stall.
Just smashes its nose in, doesn't it?
It doesn't.
Lovely.
It does. Well, it doesn't. It just
work.
doesn't stall. It just floats like a balloon.
That's a nice trait for an FPV model, isn't it? If you haven't got to worry about stall.
Right, a couple more fast passes.
So what size 4-cell pack did you put in, Dom?
3500.
3500, so that's a sizable pack, but it'll fly on something lighter.
Bigger than recommended. Recommended a 3000.
You haven't got the FPV gear in there, have you?
No, so it really needs the extra weight. You could put in a 4000 pack and fly for a very long time.
So did you weigh that battery?
You know what?
No.
Weigh it.
Should I stop asking questions?
Complicated questions, yeah. I'll put the weight of the battery on the video description.
And the size of the prop?
I don't know the size of the prop.
Oh,
It's the one that came with the model.
Okay.
Easy. So there you go, that's the ZOHD Dart Extreme. No, let's get it right. The ZOHD Dart XL Extreme. It is nice and large and it goes pretty quick on 4S, so it's going to be interesting. We'll have to put some FPV kit in it, Al. And because it is nice and stable, and as we showed, it really doesn't stall and it flies nice and slow, so it should be a good platform for FPV. Many options for what you could put in the front FPV, anything from very small to your GoPro session style camera, and we've got one of those new run cams, so we'll try that out. So thanks for watching this essential RC flight test. Thanks to Al for filming, thanks to Tom for chucking it in the air. And you might want to subscribe to this YouTube channel, click the button at the bottom left, or you might want to join our Facebook group for news, reviews and the occasional free giveaway. Thanks for watching this one, see you next time.
Wing.
Swept wing.
That's nice and slow.
It's the one that came with the model.
Yeah.